Whoever gains access to this garage belongs to the automotive high society in Moscow. She parks her exclusive cars here at the Oscar Club. The conditions could hardly be better.
This garage is unique in all of Russia and Eastern Europe. We have a special facility here, just for microclimate. The air humidity is a constant 55%. The temperature at exactly 22 degrees. And it's all perfectly clean.
Perfect storage conditions also for this vehicle, the replica of a superhero mobile from the movie hit Batman vs. Superman.
When we brought the car 2018 to Russia, the first feeling was great. Now we saved the world, I am Batman now. But already after a few weeks the disillusionment came. I realized that I have to rebuild some things so that you can drive and shoot and maneuver like in the Batman movie.
In the beginning, you could only drive in first gear, with a maximum of 30 kilometers per hour.
This is the finest Alcantara art leather. And we put this steering wheel in, it's from a race car. I've always dreamed of a vehicle like this. Now at least I got the steering wheel. The doors I have equipped with an electric drive. Just like an S-Class and the way the Germans like it.
The Russian Bruce Wayne is called Alischer, and allegedly makes his money with marketing. He put part of it into his dream car. He has a club employee prepare something special today. What? Remains unclear.
Why are they taking the figures away?
It's a secret.
2 technicians also came, responsible for the most important part of the vehicle, the cannon.
This is oxygen and propane gas, so the cannon can shoot. We'll use a 1 in 10 mix. This mixture then explodes in the combustion chamber of the gun.
A huge toy for very big children.
Really loud and with fire.
And then finally the time has come. The Batmobile goes for a little spin. But not in Gotham City, but in the outskirts of Moscow.
Turn on all the lights, including laser, and finally drive out.
Not so easy at 6 meters long and 4 meters wide. For the cinema, the chases were filmed at a snail's pace of 20 kilometers an hour and only pimped with special effects afterwards. Everything today is supposed to be real.
Now check the dosage again. It is not an easy process. Can we shoot off now? This is awesome. Our mission for today is complete. I'm very curious to see how it will be when we go and shoot right away.
But first the 500 horsepower car is driven onto a trailer.
If I smash the car, I can't very well punish myself. But if he does, he will be held accountable.
It's a classic, right?
The superhero vehicle is so wide that you can only drive it on selected roads. Therefore it is brought to its destination by trailer. In addition, utmost secrecy must be observed, because the skidder has not yet been approved by the Russian road traffic authorities. Around 1 o'clock at night, Alischer and his crew found the right place.
So now we are finally driving off. We still have to fill up, drink coffee, eat croissants, going to the bathroom. And then we'll see. Let's go.
$3 million have cost rebuilding and tuning. However, boarding is not comfortable. A UFO with wheels and bulletproof windows, secretly on its way in the Moscow night. A touch of Batman.
Drives great.
Alischer last drove through St. Petersburg half a year ago. His biggest dream would be a joyride through Berlin and London. but today we only have to go to the next gas station. After all, even a Batmobile needs fuel. A Hollywood performance.
Look, he's really stunned.
The gas station attendant takes a rather sober view.
That's not a good position. The hose is not long enough.
How much the car consumes, the owner would rather keep quiet about that. Apparently with good reason.
What kind?
95 octane,
How much fits in the tank?
40 liters.
How long does that last?
For a short drive,
How short is that?
about 2 hours.
The gas guzzler is scheduled to be sold soon. There are allegedly 3 interested parties whose creditworthiness has already been checked. List price, almost $5 million. On the other hand, the monster can now also drive almost 100 kilometers per hour, provided the roads are wide enough.